Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Skinny Recipe. If you're new to cooking and don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 10 beginner-friendly cooking tips that will make your kitchen experience easy, fun, and stress-free. Let's get started. Don't try to cook restaurant-style meals on day one. Start with simple recipes like scrambled eggs, boiled pasta, or stir-fried veggies. Master the basics first. Read the entire recipe before you begin. This helps you understand the steps, timing, and ingredients, so there are no surprises in the middle. Chop your veggies, measure your spices, and keep everything ready before turning on the heat. This is called mise en place, a chef's best friend. You don't need fancy gear. Start with a good non-stick pan, a sharp knife, a chopping board, measuring spoons, and a mixing bowl. Keep your fingers curled, use a stable cutting board, and always cut away from your body. A sharp knife is actually safer than a dull one. Salt and pepper are magic. Don't be scared to season, taste as you go and adjust. That's how you develop flavor.